Okay, evaluate the integrals. The first one is integral from 1 to 4 big square root 5 over x dx. Okay, you separate big square root 5 over x. You can separate like square root 5 is a constant divided by square root x. And the constant goes outside, square root 5. Integral from 1 to 4. And this is, it's x to the negative 1/2 dx. Okay, cool. Now, ready to perform antiderivative. Is power rule is square root 5 x to the 1/2, because negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2 positive, divided by 1/2 gets the same multiplication by 2. Evaluate in between 1 and 4. Now remember my recommendation. This constant you put outside. You put a bracket and you open two parentheses. Evaluate. Evaluate 4. Actually, this is a square root, no? This is a square root 4. And this is square root 1. Square root 4 is 2. Square root 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 2, like a 5. Okay, this is easy but long. Let me try to manipulate this expression. 1 plus cubic root x divided by square root x. You split this denominator like a 1 over square root x plus cubic root x over square root x. Okay, this is x to the negative 1/2 because the reciprocal, plus, and this is 1/3. Actually, this is x to the 1/3 divided by x to the 1/2 is x to the 1/3 minus 1/2. Okay, is a negative 1 over 8. 6, because the least common denominator is 6. This is 2 minus 3 and negative 1. So that basically is x to the minus 1 over 6. Let me erase that. Okay, so basically my integral is easier. Let me see. Integral from 1 to 64 of the x to the negative 1/2 plus x to the negative 1 over 6 dx. Okay, ready. Antiderivative now. Using power rule. Is, plus 1. Plus is x to the positive 1/2 divided by 1/2 equivalent multiplication by 2 plus negative 1 over 6 plus 1 is 5 over 6 is x to the 5 over 6 multiplication by 6 over 5. Evaluate that in between 1 and 64. Okay, I open two big parentheses and you copy. 64 first is 2 square root 64 plus 6 over 5. 64 raised to the 5 over 6. Now the second one is 2 radical 1 plus 6 over 5. 1 raised to the 5 over 6. Okay, cool. Now this is 16 because square root 64 is 8. This is 16 plus, this is more complicated. This is 6 root of 64. Okay, let me put in the calculator. And the calculator is, 64, for example, raised to the 5/6 is 32. The reason is 6 root of 64 is 2. And 2 to the 5th power is 32. The 32 multiplication by 6 is 192 over 5. Okay, at least I did that part. And the other part, this is 2. And this is 6 over 5, pero negative. Bueno, positive here. A ver, well, positive 6 over 5. 6 over 5. But everything is negative. So this negative affect this. Affect this. Okay. Together. This is 16 minus 2 and 14. Plus. Okay, in this case 186 over 5. Okay, the subtraction 182 minus 6. Now together is 70 plus 186 is 256 over 5. Is the answer. Cool.